Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, June 2nd. This is my analysis for the pound US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So otherwise, the pound dollar is posting up pretty hard today, as you can see. I think that way back here, a couple of weeks ago, we had the end of a pullback, the end of a WXY pattern, and most likely this is going to keep going up, especially based on the weekly, monthly time frame analysis. Now, it could just be a little 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then turn back down, but based on the very high time frames, it also could just keep on going up and up and up and up. So as long as it's continuing to make those high low series, then I would be doing nothing but looking for longs on shorter time frames. Now on the 1 hour time frame, I do have my Fibonacci retracement on this move down, and I also have my Fibonacci extension on this move up, projected off the bottom of this move right here. Because if this does turn out to be an A, a B, and a C pattern, then most likely it would go up to a Fibonacci retracement level and a Fibonacci extension levels, the blue levels, and it would give you some sort of a breakdown and telling you that it really is the ABC and that it really is going back down. But I would have to see something like this to believe it, because the fact that the trend is up on the higher time frames tells me that it could just keep on going up and up and up. So I would be looking for longs right now. I wouldn't be trying to go long now. I would only be trying to go long on pullbacks, potentially for the continuation of the higher time frame uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.